In this Krea.ai tutorial, we shall exploit the amazing Krea.ai video generator and show you how you can use this AI tool to generate your own AI video. You will learn how to animate several images using Krea.ai videos and combine them and apply different presets to produce stunning AI video for creating music video or like this and using them on YouTube or other websites. At the end of AI tutorial, I shall show you how to create a long AI video with this tool. Let's dive into the future of video creation with Krea.ai. Open Krea.ai websites and click the first link. Click sign up button. Log in with your Gmail or email and password. Click on the video generation. Press start. Press open app. You can see how to use this tool with an example. I delete this example and create my own. In this timeline, you can increase the time from here. The maximum time is 10 seconds, but we will make a longer video later. Click on this icon to view some setting. Change the aspect based on where you want to use this video. Motion intensity determines the movement. Higher percentage, more movement. Loop video, play the video continuously. Here we have 4 presets that you can use for your generation. I show you these presets with same source images, film, animation, experimental, render. You can see the time above. In the keyframe part, when you move the mouse, you can see the add keyframe icon. Click where you want to add your image. You can choose from image you used before on website, or you can click here to choose an image from your computer. From the generate tab, you can generate image. Write your prompt here. By pressing the variation icon, you can see different results. By pressing the random prompt, you ask the AI to add prompt for you. You can get idea from this part. You can delete the image by pressing this icon. You can add other image any way you want. For each image, you need a prompt. In the text prompt part, when you move the mouse, you can click on this section and add text prompt. Write your text prompt here. You do not need a complicated prompt. Write what is in your image or what you want to see. By dragging the end of the box, you can specify which part this prompt is for. For example, you want to apply this text prompt to one or more images. Continue this until the end. I want to use these images for this example. You can use your own real images or create AI images with other tools like Leonardo. I will create a 10-second video. Add your images one by one in keyframe section. You can move your images. I want to use these images for first 2 seconds. Add text prompt. I move my images to fill 10 seconds. You can use separate text prompt for each image. Don't forget to change the aspect ratio or other setting according to what you want. I use film preset. Press the generate button. First you see a low resolution preview and then AI enhance the quality of the results. You can press this button again and cancel the generation. When you see the preview, if you don't like it or you want to change something, cancel the generation before it is fully completed. You can cancel, select another preset and see the preview. I will use these images for the first 20 seconds. I create a 10-second clip. Add your images, then write text prompt. Generate the clip, see the preview, and if you don't like it, cancel it and change the images or replace them. This is a good for my test. I download it, then I create the second clip. Delete previous images, add new images and continue. I download the second clip. To join these clips together, you can see any video editor like Premiere Pro, CapCut or whatever you want. I use here CapCut. Open the CapCut and create new project. Import your clips in the project panel. Add your clip to timeline. I made the third clip like this. You can add music to your timeline. Change the duration of music or change the speed of clip. You can add more clips and do like this. See Krea plans from the pre-sizing section. See Krea plans for pricing section. In free plan, you have daily free generation. If you have any question, ask in the comment section. Thank you for the watching video. Please subscribe our channel.